This is my submission for the EE2301 Lab 7 project. For my project, I made a circuit which is using a photoresistor and some potentiometers. So the function of my project is that as the program is running, it's collecting and maintaining an array of the 16-bit integers, which are the measured values from the photoresistor. And from this array, it is finding the average deviation of each of the points of data from their mean value. So in short, the value that it's outputting is representing the average deviation from the mean. So the purpose of these potentiometers here is that it controls the sensitivity. So at a point, if you have the sensitivity too high, it will max out the circuit and it will have no response. So here I'm turning the potentiometer. Now you can see it's having no response to any of the changes to the photoresistor because the value is maxed out, and so the output is just stagnant there. If I turn down the sensitivity by increasing the resistance of the potentiometer, you can see it's changing there. And if I put it at the maximum value for one and the minimum for the other potentiometer, here's the output. So you can see it's pretty sensitive to everything going around it. And at the current ambient sort of environment that it's in right now, this is the average deviation. But then when I put my finger over the sensor, you can see the value increases quite significantly. And that goes to show that the data being measured from my finger over the photoresistor is much less consistent. The average deviation is larger. On the other hand, if I turn on this lamp, you can see that the value goes down quite significantly. So this goes to show that having this light source, the stronger light source, makes the value being read by the resistor much more consistent.